Hello viewers, welcome to Blue Book. I hope you have a great day and a great week. I wish my hearty Christmas and a New Year wishes. Whenever we think Christmas, immediately we get on our mind a Santa Claus and his gifts and chocolates. I hope this Santa Claus will come to your home and give you gifts. And hope this new year will be the best new year of all time. Hope you will have a great happiness and tremendous health. Once again, I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe.